Hello everyone, I thought I'd do a bike check on my 2003 243 Racing DH 4130 steel downhill hardtail. Yep, it's actually a downhill hardtail designed for 200mm forks, hence tubing's being so fat at the front, which is really oversized for a steel frame. You just don't see any steel frames like this anymore, but it's ridiculously heavy. Just the frame alone weighs 7.2 pounds, which is a lot. But yeah, it's an absolute beast. Like oversized tubing, got a USA size bottom bracket, and then bolt on rear end, so back wheel doesn't go anywhere. But yeah, so for forks I'm running 2002 Marzocchi Shiver upside down forks, motocross style. Absolute beast forks. Actually blew them up in my latest edit at camber, but just leaking out of there, so I think it's just a little seal in there, which is not too bad to replace, but gotta get that sorted before I ride them again, really. We've got 243 Racing DH stem, race face lantless 3 red bars, Hope Tech M4 brakes, which are very nice. Just recently bled them, so running nice and smooth. Floating rotors, 200mm on the front and 180 on the back, with Hope mounts as well. But yeah, that's an absolute beast. Brakes, for wheels I've got 26" on the front and 24" on the back. Front's a Mavic EX721 on a Hope Pro 2 Evo, and the rear's Amtum Lab 24", which are absolutely bomb-proof, both wheels are, on an Amtum Lab hub, which has Allen key bolts on to keep it nice and secure. And then for saddle we've got a bone deaf BMX one, pivotal bone deaf vibrator saddle in leopard print, of course. Alienation seat post, Brave Pogo seat clamp, most punk seat clamp ever. 243 Racing pedals, which are just absolutely beasts. DMR X type cranks, profile sort of style, but better than profiles in my opinion. I've broken profiles before, but never broke these. Got a Shimano Saint bottom bracket with DMR Wonder Cup reducers, because it's got such a big bottom bracket. You can fit any like BMX cranks or any type of crankset you want on here, basically. But yeah, and then for tyres, I'll just switch the bike around so you can see the other side. So yeah, for tyres I've got 26 by 3" wide Duro Wildlife Leopard, with absolute beast tyre. Yeah, it kind of acts like extra suspension if you run them soft. I run them really hard, well, have been lately anyway. In the last edit I purposely had my tyres really hard so it rolled faster, but also bounced around more, make it look even more sketchy than it should be. But on the back I've got a Halo Contra 24 by 3", exactly the same tyre as the front, but just under a different brand name for some reason. But yeah, absolutely sick tyres, like I say. I love these tyres. This one's getting slightly worn out, as you can see, but it's still got plenty of life in it. But yeah, for chainring we've got a Shimano Z 36 tooth with a YBN half link chain in green. And then at the back we've got a 14 tooth Far Eye sprocket, single speed of course. Yeah, that's about it. Oh wait, Brave Machine Little Monster headset, which is a beast. Just bought that the other day and fitted it the other day. But yeah, oh, another DH mudguard. If you saw my last edit you would have probably seen or heard this flapping around everywhere, and when the travel goes down it was flapping down into the tyre and then making a horrible graunching noise. So that's what that noise was in my latest edit. The bike's trying to fall over. Okay, I'll just let it go. But whoa, where are you going? Got mind of its own. But yeah, that's what that noise was. Just that flapping basically and going into the tyre every time. So it made some horrible graunching noises. But which is a shame, because I had that mudguard for like 15 years and it's the first time I actually broke it. I got a big crack there. So. But somebody kindly offered to send me another one, so I'm pretty stoked about that. Thanks to that matey. But yeah, I think that's everything on the bike. So now I'm going to show you some riding on it, some big sends, which you might have already seen, but if not, you're gonna love it. So send it, and don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, keep watching for Shredit. Thank you.